Hello everyone, my name is Chantel Williams. This is my presentation for my advanced programming course. The assignment was to create a game that was not only playable, but also had the ability to teach the user something. The game was created with Unity and Gimp and utilizes C# programming language. The game starts off in the classroom where you receive traffic sign lessons before hitting the road in my road test simulator. The board displays the traffic signs and what they mean. Once you are comfortable with the signs and understand their meaning, you can hit the road by pressing the drive button in the upper right hand corner. After hitting the road, you will control a car and score points based on obeying traffic laws. You will receive a warning when approaching the stop sign, and this is to let the player know that they are expected to stop. You have to stop before the stop sign to receive a point. If you were to pass the stop sign, it would not count towards your score. At the moment, I currently have 2 working stop signs, and I plan on adding more functionality in the future. Things like traffic lights and yield signs. The map is open and you can explore the entire city. I have not decided if I plan on launching it at the current status onto itch.io, but let me know if you're interested in just driving and exploring the map. It is also important to note that this project wouldn't be possible without the help of talented artists on itch.io. I want to credit and thank them for their hard work. This sums up my project. Thanks so much for watching.